So, today, guys, the footage from the video I tried to record yesterday, first of all, was pretty bad, and second of all, the mic audio wasn't working. So, today I'll be redoing that video. So, I'm putting you onto my phone holder right now. I have my mic on. Hopefully, it's recording this time. And I need to go grab my keys. And also put my slides on. Wherever the frick they are. Here they are. Alright. Alright, guys. Almost forgot the keys again. Got them. Okay. Let's go. Let me know in the comments for like the 5 people who are going to watch this. Should I put pegs on my mountain bike? Just asking. No, we have to stretch this card like super far. Give me 1 second. There we go. I'm gonna break this card at one point. At least I have 2 of them. Grab helmet real quick. Put it on. Alright. I'm gonna move my mic down a little bit. Make sure it's on. Yep, it's on. Okay. Let's go. Now we put the phone holder onto the actual bike. Okay. That's on. Let me know if you guys like full screen like this or up like this. I'll probably put it up like this again just for this video. And then maybe change it in later videos if I don't like it. Garage door open. Carbon fiber wrap. I should be getting that on soon. Probably gonna order it tonight. And then I'll be getting some Peak stickers and keychains. And other than that, yeah. Alright, so let's go. I have t-shirt on, shorts on. Yeah, kind of a chill vibe. A lot nicer than yesterday. When I was riding yesterday, it was not nice. I was in freaking pants and a sweatshirt. Yeah. Bet you guys can guess how pleasant that was. But, I mean, it didn't end up being too bad yesterday. It was just kind of here and there cold. But other than that, it wasn't too bad. About to fly by one of my neighbors right now. Hopefully, they don't freaking stop me. Nope. Zoomed in. Alright, well, what do y'all want to hear about? Like, I don't know. Spring break, I will be getting videos out for y'all. I might have a couple videos of us at my cabin, because me and my friend are going there for spring break. we're leaving in the afternoon, and then we're gonna be there for 2 days, and then we're gonna leave afternoonish, morningish of I don't know what days we're going yet, but and then aside from that, on spring break I should be pretty consistent. I'll have 9 days off just to film, edit, make montages. So yeah. Other than that, I don't really have anything to say. Spring break is 2 days away. We're 2 days away from being free. So yeah. Here, I'm gonna turn my phone sideways real quick. Yoink. Tell me if y'all like this POV more. I kind of like that, honestly. Let me make sure. Okay, I still have my mic on. I got scared for a second. I thought my mic fell off. Hold up. I'm gonna reclip my mic real quick. Alright, I need to reclip my mic. Just so it's a little bit farther. A little bit closer to my face, actually. Yeah, right there works. Alright. Wait, hold up. Yeah, that's about a good distance from my face. Should be good. Let me know if you guys like this mic more, because the other one, which is just my basic phone mic, because I had it recording before, and the audio was not very pleasant. It just really wasn't. On spring break, tell me if there's anybody who's willing to comment on this video. Tell me if you guys want me to do a daily vault, because I can do one while we're at the cabin. As long as my mic doesn't die, because my mic has some pretty slow charging. And that'll be a long video to edit. Hi, Gabriel. Bro, just chilling in the freaking... I don't know what that is, but it's some kind of pipage system. See? Like, right there on the side. Is that truck just turning around? Should I just do a flyby? I don't know. I'll just keep the low profile. Luckily, they don't have their plate on the front, so I'm not completely exposing my area. Or who the freak are they? Alright, well, yes, I'm gonna still be building out my Happy Run, but I'm not gonna be making any power adjustments, just so nothing gets too expensive. I'm gonna be getting a seat cover, if I can find one, a seat cover, and forged carbon fiber wrap, and Peak stickers, and keychain. So yeah. I don't know what this truck is doing, bro. I swear. Are they backing up and turning around again? What? Bro, their windows are so tinted. Their windows are literally pitch black. Their windows are so tinted. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna get the knee up on the seat. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Glad my mic didn't just fly off because it felt like it. Hi. Bro, his feet are cooked. His feet are so cooked. Bro, his feet are literally just sitting in the muddy little river thingy. Okay, I still have my mic on. Yo, what bird is that? Thing's massive. Holy cow. It's like some sort of toucan thing. Holy cow. Thing's giant. It's just sitting up there too. Massive. You know what else is massive? No, I'm kidding. That's what my friend would say. Guys, I'm gonna hop off the bike and maybe do a little bit of basketball. And then, yeah. I'll title this video Afternoon Vlog. Boom, boom. I'm driving in my car. Boom, boom. Hold up. Bro, I have to hold my phone in my mic. Actually, no, I'll be fine. I don't have to hold my mic and just keep it clipped to my shirt. Forgot I can't go in front of the... Alright. Guys, I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Transition. Alright, guys. So I'm back. We're gonna do a little bit of basketball. And yeah. Alright. Where did my freaking basketball go? It has to be out here, bro. It's not in the garage. Where the frick? Bro. It's not over there. There's a red basketball right there, but I don't know exactly if I want to use that one. Where? It's nowhere in here. Where? Oh, wait, it might be inside. Yeah, there it is. Hi, Turkey. Oh. Hi, buddy. You want to go outside? Alright, let's get you outside. Here you go. Bye, Turkey. So you guys know, I'm recovering from a little bit of a rash right now. So, yeah. The video might be a little bit, my hand-eye coordination might be a little, you know. And then I'll blur my face. See what I mean? My hand-eye coordination sucks right now. I swear, bro. And also, why do I have the hoop so low? Alright. Alright, guys. I'm gonna be that one annoying person. If I make this, y'all gotta subscribe. You don't gotta like, you just have to subscribe. Yeah, I just bricked so hard. Alright, well, y'all don't gotta subscribe. I'm not gonna keep trying it over and over and over again. But I will shoot this shot a ton of times. There we go. Alright. Guys, if this shot goes in, that's exactly when the video is gonna end. Alright. See y'all. Stay goated. Peace. Hold up. See y'all. Stay goated. Peace.